try again. Cost me less than $35 with free shipping in Amazon or eBay. Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to run the wire for the horn or set up for the horn. This brand is called Fairwind. Yeah, this is a good horn. So this cost me about less than $35. So we get two of them. Get two horn. So now I'm gonna show you the easy way one. So right there, you see it, positive, and go to the red line. So okay, and the black one is go to negative. Go to the negative on the black one. Okay, number one, red, positive, and the black line go to negative. So now you have like, see, yellow, black, yellow and black, and leave the white one and the blue one alone first. Let's do so. The yellow and black go to this one, it doesn't matter. Get yellow and black. Okay, then this one, this one. Make sure you get the white one. You go to the negative. Blue one can do this one. Let me get some. Yeah, they give me extra cord, so let's just try first. Make sure don't let this two touch it, but they're not gonna touch it. The blue go to this one. Yeah, this one they don't show you exactly like this video. That's why a lot of people confused. So this time get two line. Doesn't matter, or they don't say red or black, whatever, blue or green. Now just like that. Now I leave this bun right like that. It's for the bun, for the whole bun. So see, two line. One comes straight from the blue to this one, and another one go to the positive one. See, okay. Now try it. So let me try again. We love this brand. Not bad. Cost me less than $35 with free shipping in Amazon or eBay. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any idea, please leave us a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.